Hey, what's poppin', guys? It's your girl Nia Imani, and I am back with another video. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right down below. Put your notification bell on so you know when your girl is uploading. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. If you are returning, welcome back. As you guys can see from the title today, I am doing my first impressions on, I don't know if you guys can see it, but my Fenty skin. Shout out to Rihanna, because we all know sis got some bomb skin, and I'm trying to get my skin buttery smooth like Riri. Like, I already have buttery smooth skin, but I want buttery smooth Riri skin. So, okay, I have here, I'm reading the piece of paper that tells me what I have, okay? So, I have the Total Cleanser Remove It All Cleanser. Now, this is what the bottle looks like. It's cute. It's like a nice, cute, like, light violet color. So, it says on the back that it's hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying, because I need that. My skin be dry. This LA water is just not good at all. Daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. Now, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have makeup on my face, so I am going to test out if this actually removes makeup. I really want to know, not saying that I won't use makeup remover, I totally will, but I want to see from sometimes my lazy nights, I really want to see if this, you know, does the job. So we have that. Let's see how this smells. It's a nice light smell. It definitely smells like soap, like cleanser. I know a lot of people, when I was reading, like when they first announced about the skincare products, I know a lot of people were nervous because it said that it had a fragrance, but it doesn't have a strong fragrance smell. Next, we have the Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. Here's this bottle. Love this. Okay, it says instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, even skin tone, and fights shine without stripping skin. All right, now let's open this up and see. Did I do this wrong? Oh, no, just gotta. Yeah, one thing I can definitely say so far about these products, if you're worried about it smelling perfumey, it definitely doesn't have a perfume smell. It doesn't smell like, literally, I'm putting Victoria's Secret body spray on me. It doesn't smell like that at all. Lastly, I have the Hydra Visor Invisible SPF Moisturizer. And that is this right here. This is the bottle. It actually, I already clicked it in, which was stupid, but it comes like this. It comes separately, and then you just put it in. You hear the little click, and then it goes down and goes up. We are going to start with the Total Cleanser. Let's see if it removes my makeup. So, I'm gonna wet my hands. I like doing that. Okay. Okay. Yeah, once again, it definitely doesn't have an overbearing perfume smell. So if you're worried about that, yeah, it doesn't have that. So I took this much. Okay. The consistency of this is very thick. I like how it's creamy, even though it's a facial wash. So let's see. I don't know if you guys can tell, it's a very creamy texture. So far, I got this Santa Claus beard look, period. Okay. Let's see. Let's lather this baby up. Time to rinse it off to see if the makeup comes off. Okay. Wow. So, yeah. So far, so good. Wow. If she literally made a freaking makeup removing facial wash, she just literally killed the whole game. Wow. I think sis really did it, y'all. I really think sis made a makeup removing facial wash. Like, I'm actually mind blown. I'm actually mind blown. But let's do a test. Let me take a cotton round with some of my makeup remover and let's actually see if it actually removes my makeup before I get super hyped, because I'm letting y'all know right now, if no makeup turns up on this cotton round, sis did it for me. Already she always does it for me, so I'm not even gonna be shocked. Okay, let's see. Okay, I wiped my whole face. Hold on. I wiped my whole face and this is how much makeup I had left on my face. Literally just that much. I had a full face of foundation, concealer, contour, highlight, blush, all of that. Powder, all of that. And only this much of makeup after using the facial wash is left. That's actually really good. Clearly, I would probably still use makeup remover, but for those, you know, drunken nights where you ain't got time to be doing all the extra, sis actually did it for you. I'm actually really shocked. It actually does remove your makeup. Okay, next we have the Fat Water Pore Refining Toner. Okay, directions. Use day and night on clean skin. Apply over face with fingers. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, that was a lot. Lord Jesus. Wow. This, I see why she's called it fat water, because it's definitely literally just water. I know a lot of people was worried about this one because it has witch hazel. So let's just see. Oh wow. This is so light on the skin. Like, it literally feels like I'm putting like the water from the sink on my face. Okay. Okay. Ooh, I like this. Okay, and lastly is the Fenty Skin Moisturizer. Okay, let's see. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, there we go. Sorry, you know when it's a fresh bottle, it never pumps right away. So I put this much on because like I said, my skin is dry out here. Okay, so this is the only product that has a smell. I believe this is the product that she said it has the Barbados cherries in it. So I can definitely smell that. Still not overbearing. It doesn't smell like perfume, but you can definitely tell it's like a fruit in here. Okay, let's see. Okay. The consistency on my face is definitely thick. And you can tell that it has SPF because as you guys can see, it has this white consistency. Okay. Okay. But it definitely, when you take your time to rub it in, that white consistency, that white cast definitely goes away. But look at this. Y'all see? Come on. Y'all can literally see the light bouncing off my face. Come on, Riri. Period, okay? That is my Bayesian cousin, all right? Sis did that. I'm about to be out here looking like sis, okay? Pondere play. Pondere play. Ooh, didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Woo! Yeah. Honestly, guys, so far my first impression is it's worth the hype. And that's on what? That's on period. It is worth the hype so far. If you guys want me, well, I'm definitely using this every day because I spent my coin on it, so it's definitely going to use. But if you guys want me to do like a 1 week update and then like a 1 month update of me using these products, just comment down below and say, hey girl, we want that update. We want to see how your skin just flourished, okay? Like, because I know it's gonna flourish. I know it's gonna flourish. This is a great 3-step. I'm not just gassing it because I love Rihanna. My first impression is that this is a 10 out of 10. Now, like I said, comment down below if you want me to do a 1 week update, and also comment down below if you want me to do a 1 month update, because honestly, I keep it 100. My opinion can totally change. Like I said, I spent my hard-earned coin on this, so I'm gonna give it to you straight because that's how I want people to give it to me. I want people to be real. So if it don't work, it just don't work. Like if it's not, you know, if in 1 week or 1 month it ain't it, I'm definitely have no problem with coming back to you guys and telling y'all, you know, nah. But I have a strong feeling that in 1 week and 1 month, I'm gonna tell y'all this is the end all be all, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel because when I hit 500, I am doing a giveaway. And when I hit 1,000, your girl is doing a major giveaway. I love you guys so much. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure y'all comment and talk to me down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.